Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share how I have created some DIY worksheets for practicing some of the basic preschool concepts at home with my daughter. So let's get started. The very first type of worksheet you can create is this type of worksheet where you can write uppercase alphabet, but while writing these alphabets, skip some of the alphabets, and after finishing this worksheet or while doing this worksheet, just ask your child to identify the missing alphabets. Similarly, you can write lowercase alphabets and again skip few of the alphabets, and while completing this worksheet, ask your child to identify lowercase alphabets, the alphabets that are missing or that are not written on the paper. These worksheets are not for practicing alphabets with the kids. This is the next level activity. After kids starts to identify alphabet separately, we can challenge them by creating this type of worksheet. If kids cannot know how to write all the letters, then you can arrange this type of cut and glue activity where you can write all the letters on paper, and for finishing the worksheet you can ask kid to look for the missing alphabet that comes in the sequence and glue that alphabet on the appropriate empty space. On this next worksheet, you can again arrange the similar kind of worksheet or similar kind of activity, but here you can write the numbers, and while writing numbers, just keep few numbers and ask your kids to fill the missing numbers. If they are good in writing, they can simply write the numbers. You can use these worksheets orally also. Just you can ask them to tell verbally what numbers are missing, and also you can change this or use this worksheet to make a cut and glue activity, and here they have to identify and put the missing numbers in orders. Next, you can create match the pair challenge. Here on one column I just wrote the numbers, and on the another column I draw some different circles, different number circles randomly. And while doing this activity or while finishing this worksheet, ask kids to count the circles and look for the matching numbers in the first column and ask them to match the pairs. These type of worksheets are useful for testing their quantitative knowledge as well as number recognition knowledge. This worksheet is again for testing missing numbers. Only here I am representing questions in the form of popsicles. The next worksheet I made for practicing one-on-one patterns. On the first row I made circle triangle pattern, and here kids have to identify what shape will come next in the pattern. This is one-on-one pattern, so here the answer will be triangle. After that I made square circle pattern, and next to that I made leaf and flower pattern, that is leaf flower pattern. and after that I selected heart and triangle pattern. Here you can choose any shape. I'm just choosing whatever shape that is coming to my mind. And after that I made a happy face and sad face. And ultimately at the end I made cupcake and cookie shapes. Since this worksheet is a one-on-one pattern worksheet, kids have to circle or point what shape will come next in a row, in each row, and they have to select the appropriate answer while finishing this worksheet. Next I made phonic worksheet for practicing M family word, that is the sound of A and M together, that is am. After the word am, I combine some words that has am in it, that is am. Her am, that is ham. R am, that is ram. And j am, that is jam. Y am, that is yam. And on the next worksheet I simply put all those words in a sentence so that we can practice and read those words in a sentence, such as am. For am I wrote I am a girl. For Sam I wrote a sentence, Sam is a boy. For the word jam I simply wrote jam is sweet. For the ham I said I like ham. And for the ram I wrote a sentence, I sat on a ram. I also made some basic addition worksheets. For this popsicle worksheet, you can definitely write numbers on the papers and convert this worksheet into cut and glue worksheet. If you want, you can also decorate or color some of the parts of this worksheet just to make this worksheet attractive for the kids. This is how I have created entire worksheets for my daughter, and these worksheets are good for practicing basic preschool concepts. So that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts and comments in a comment section below. See you next time with the next video.